Morning all of you, my name is Kilesh Patel. I am studying class 4B. People who will not assistant 3 will soon live in a world that will not assistant people. Thank you.
Today. Thank you for all the tree in our life, for creating the earth and all living for the oxygen we breathe and the protection tree provide and pray that we protect the trees throughout our life. So next, now I would like to welcome students to class 4th to a skit, and this of the skit is Save Our Environment. So hidden in the skit in the grain today to better tomorrow. Come on the stage.
फलक तू गरज तू बरस तू